Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor. This is Alexis Sanderson, and she has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. She is 9 years old. Holy smokes, how are you getting to be 9? She has a good bit of upper extremity stiffness, so you can see it's hard for me to get her fingers all the way open. Her wrist is flexed. It's hard to get her arm all the way straight. And one of the things you can do to help loosen up an arm is get upper extremity weight bearing through it. So I'm just kind of preparing this elbow, getting it straight and pushing through. She's really wanting the toy that we're going to get. So let's get your arm down and then we'll get it, okay? I've got it right here. Wait just a second. We go just a second. Let's get this arm down. So I'm going over her shoulder, grabbing her elbow, getting her fingers open. I'm using my pointer finger to try to get down through that hand, and oh boy, now I have to wind up this with one hand. I think I can do it. I think I can. All right, here we go. Oh, my stars. So if you can get some weight bearing through an arm, it always helps to loosen it up. If as good a positioning as you can get, the better. Let's wind it up. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we get. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh! So when I was seeing her regularly, I would start off each session, you can get it? With weight bearing through the arms. I'd do it here in side sit with her knees off to the side. I'd go over the shoulder, grab the elbow, use my pointer finger to help get some weight down through that arm. You want me to do it again? All right, hold on. Ready? I'm going to wind it up, 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 wind it up. You're ready? Okay, let's set it down. Oh, my stars. Wind it up. So this is just a way to work on decreasing stiffness in the extremity. Let's just get some weight bearing down through it. Side sitting is a good way to do it. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.